Hey, welcome to the fourth tutorial of the Python tutorials. Today we would be talking about the if-else statement, else-if statement, my bad. In the last tutorial we talked about the if and else statement, which basically was one or two options. It's basically a true and false kind of thing, if you kind of understood that. But this time it's going to be both combined in the same category. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by making my comments for my name. Okay, so after we'll do that, I usually do this to help me keep track of what's what. Um, else, else. Okay, so again we'll write another name equals raw input. Enter your name. Somehow this somehow gets up there. I think I pressed the button by accident, but oh well. Okay, so that's one. We have if, so if name is equal to John, like we said last time. Print hello John. Alright, now this is where the else and if statement comes in at. So right after if we don't want to go to else, so if there's more choices that you wanted to put out, so like say there was a user that you was trying to get to enter and only two people can enter, okay? If one of them was John but the other one was named Will, okay, so if I would have typed in Will right here as it is right now, it would print out nothing. But if I put the else statement in, it will also print out you are not John. So what we want to do is we want to make an else statement, which is basically another if statement in an else if form. So it's basically saying else, but it's still an if statement. So the way we'll do it is we just go right here where the if statement is, and we'll put else if, else if. There we go. ELIF for else if. And we'll basically do with the if this. So if name is equal to will. Print hello will. Okay, and then we'll type our regular else statement. You are not John or Will. Alright, so let's save this and run it. Okay, so very first thing that pop up is enter your name. My name is John, so it'll pop up hello John. We run it again. F5 for hotkey. This time we'll type in Will and they'll get hello Will. Now we're gonna run it one more time. And let's try Kevin. You are not John or Will. So that's basically how the else statement works. So it's basically another if statement, but it's also an else statement because it's not if, but it's not else. So it's basically split between the two. So that's why we call it if else statement. You can have multiple ones in there. See, I can do another else statement right here. I can do else if name is equal to, let's make it Sam. Then we'll Sam print hello Sam. So after I do this, I'll save it, F5 to run it. We just demonstrated John and Will, so I'm gonna type in Sam right here, and bam, it pops up Sam. Um, um, that's basically the shortest tutorial I have right now. Our next one will be about modules, and they'll start to get more intermediate than beginners level. So make sure you visit my website, helpmecomputers.webs.com, and I appreciate it if you look at it. You might want to check, subscribe, rate, comment to me, and request any new tutorials you would like me to do. So hope y'all have a nice day today. See ya.